Yo guys, what's good? So today I will do a little trade recap because some of you guys from the Discord server requested it. And if you're not from the Discord server, feel free to join. We're giving you guys our outlook for the week and the day for free. And we're just a general educational server. So let's get straight to it. So I'm going to show it on TradingView because I can do a replay here. We were presented with a good strong liquidity, which is all-time highs, but as we can see, our weekly open is here just like Monday, 0 just a new week open, not anything QT related. So our power of 3 opened right here, and we just did go higher and accumulated for a bit. And what we need to have is obviously a manipulation lower to then rate our draw on liquidity higher. So that's just my first impression. So my overall narrative for the next days or today was just bearish till 25067. So or just till the new week. So I dropped down to the lower time frame, and let's mark out Asia. I'm just going to do it because it's different times. I'm from Germany, so I actually did it wrong. So that was Asia, and we just accumulated, manipulated in London, and had a bit of a reversal. So what I'm looking for in New York is not like a big manipulation higher to then go lower, because we had a accumulation, manipulation slash reversal, and then guess what we will have in New York? Obviously continuation lower. So that was my thought process. And then we were presented with, let me skip to market open. Yeah, we just had a bearish bias, as I told you guys. So I looked for shorts directly at market open. I was ready to do a continuation CST, like straight to the downside, because I was like really bearish, and we did go lower, but I did not find an entry here. So I can tell you guys we had an SMT here. It is actually a microcycle SSMT. I'm not going to go into depth with any QT stuff, but we had SMT here. So I actually entered right here for my first trade, but I got break even because and now that take profit might seem like a lot, but it does make sense because we can not go to all-time highs without our weekly manipulation. If you would, it would be really weird. But I mean, the PA is really choppy right now, but generally we should not go to all-time highs without our weekly manipulation into the new week, or just a general manipulation lower. Actually, I'm going to show it in my weekly outlook and our weekly outlook. So we told right here we have no weekly manipulation yet. We posted it on October 22nd, and we did not edit it, so it's not fake. We had no weekly manipulation, a clear draw on liquidity, as I just told you. We should go lower tomorrow on the 22nd to get our weekly manipulation. In that case, the chances of us building a market maker buy model is not unlikely. We won't look for longs until we have our weekly low confirmed. And I sent this, which I'm not going to go into depth why this does not TB field. It's just a market maker buy model, so it's not an unbalanced range. So I just want to see, as I said, manipulation lower, the weekly manipulation, protected with an SMT to then go to all-time highs. And as you can see right here, we did have our manipulation today. I'm ending the day up $900 because my second trade got break even. I'm going to show you that. So sadly we got break even here, but that's okay. So yeah, as I said, that entry, that trade would be really good. We had a 1 minute confluence and then a 15-second CSD. So let me just skip a bit, and then we continued lower. I think I got break even like about here. I do not know, I broke my rules with going break even so fast. I did not know why I did that, but I just traded continuation. as you can see right here, if we're going to expand lower, I think, that's so slow, let me skip a bit. So here we had, right, so here we had our expansion. So I was sure, okay, we're going to go lower today. With EQ, we hit, oops, let me write EQ. So we hit EQ right here, had our 15-second manipulation right here. 15-second CSD, sorry. 15-second CSD, so I entered here. Actually, I did enter up here, but I'm just going to show you it here. I did not enter with that many lots, I'm just showing it for the recording now. So that was my second entry after I got break even on the first one. And many of you guys, or many of you guys in general, said belongs to Altamice or PVCS, and I just told you why we need to have our manipulation first. I'm just going to show you an obvious, you should know that, an obvious Power 3 accumulation. Manipulation lower, higher, lower, continuation. That's just the most general Power 3 there is. So, which we had everything there, but we did not have our, so we had this, but I'm not going to about London manipulated. So we did not have anything else, and we want to end the week bullish. Why do we want to end the week bullish? Because we have a clear draw, which is Altamice. So we did not have our manipulation. So I tried the manipulation, and tomorrow and then on we will hit Altamice. I'm pretty sure of that as well. So I entered here, take profit at the new week opening gap, and I would have swing traded it if it wouldn't have hit so fast. I'm going to show you it was a good trade and a kind of fast trade. I think it took like 20 minutes. So here we had my take profit. And yeah, so that was just the first trade I did. And I'm not going to go into depth of the second trade. It was just pretty clear. Move to break even, move to EQ, and a short from EQ lower to these weak lows to like somewhere here. So that's just the trade I took. So now that we have this trade done, I'm just going to show it on live markets. We have our weekly manipulation, which is not confirmed yet, but I'm pretty sure. I mean, I'm not going to trade for the rest of the day because, as you can see, I'm actually going to go to NQ because TopStep had some AWS problems. I don't know. So as I said, we had our manipulation now, and I'm extremely sure that we will hit Altamice tomorrow or Friday. Friday is a high news, so we have a lot of news. I'll show you it. We have a lot of news tomorrow. Tomorrow we have not many news, but on Friday we have many news. CPI, PMI. So Friday could be a good day. So for anyone from the Discord server that requested it, I hope that helped to show you my thought process behind this trade. And once again, feel free to join our Discord server in the comments. So bye bye guys.